What's up, y'all? Champ checking in, headed back to the house. Put the final touches on the Viper. We got to put the fender on, a vent I had to wait in order. I'm going to put the tires back on, and man, we're going to probably get our first test drive in. And next after that is going to the shop to get alignments. I think I'm going to go to Gran Turismo East, or I heard of a few other spots, but y'all stay tuned.
Rise up from the dead.
What's up, y'all? Quick update. We were able to make a lot of progress today. As you can see, the inner fender wheel well house is on and complete. The washer cover is on and complete, the new one. I'm ordering one part right there before we can put the side fender on. You see we got the hood off, the headlights off. I put on the new splash shield. The motor's perfectly fine, y'all see that? Yeah, so now all we're doing is waiting on a few parts. We're gonna take a break here now. We've been out here since about 8, it's about 1 now, about 4 or 5 hours. Picking up the hood. The hood has arrived. Shout out to Arnell Carriers, man, they got me the hood. Very pricey hood, I might add, but it came in. I'm finna take it apart now, get a look at it, make sure it's cool. I ended up going with the 6 vent like I wanted instead of the 3 vent, but give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna show y'all the product. What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, we got the whole thing fully back together. Gaps looking pretty good. We gotta do a little alignment on the hood, but we getting it together. As you can see, she back in full intact. Now we gotta get ready to work on that inside, change the clock spring, airbag. That's an SRS module. And that's it, man. As y'all can see, she looking real good. The headlights fit in perfect, nice. This is the SRS module or the ORC module for airbags, accidents. This is what we had to get reset along with the seat belt. It's 2 bolts. It's right here behind the stereo. I took everything out. I'm gonna have to put it back in, but I'm finna put it in. I just wanted to show y'all where it was at. Stay tuned. Good? No issues, huh?
Even going on the freeway, I couldn't get it. Light went out, the tire light went out, all lights went out.
All the lights went out.
Only thing is that, I don't know, I think that's because we got traction on.
Yeah, that's traction. That's a traction button. Made it over here to Hot Tech. Get us together. They was able to put me right on and get me in there looking good. So we're gonna see how it's coming together. Get this alignment. We got A+ windshield. Finna get me together. Put the windshield on, man. They finna take this one off and get me together. Y'all stay tuned. What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, the windshield is on. It's flawless. Shout out to A+ windshield. Pretty much that's it for me now. And the next steps that I will be getting into is the state inspection, the requirements, what they're looking for, what are they looking at, and how much it costs, and the requirements, the paperwork, and everything you will need. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the website, www.incognitothreads.com. Custom gear, support your boy, and stay tuned. Appreciate y'all.